We are at the New York, and we're gonna give you a casino and room tour. Follow in. Has the Coyote Ugly opened back up yet?
How many more times are you gonna
Here's your Century Towers. And this is the escalators to South Parking. It says that the New Yorker elevator's up this way. Isn't that our? It's got a beautiful casino. There's the restrooms right there. Men's and women's restrooms.
That's the way I came in.
Some Mega Bucks action. Ooh, ooh. You can get some cigars. I remember my buddy Dave a long time ago came and bought cigars here. Up there, you can take the escalator to the Manhattan Express and ride the roller coaster. I've ridden that coaster once and it's a rocky ride, that's for sure. There's Kronos and Zeus. Got some Plinko action, some Ghostbusters. I've never seen the Ghostbusters. Anybody ever played Ghostbusters? I heard not to play those ones that are, you know, from TV shows or movies because they got to pay the royalties. Over there's 9-5 Irishman. There's some Buffalo and Tarzan action. Here, let's check this out. Get your giant slushy action on. Your Panasonic, Pepsi Cola. Super cool. There's a whole bunch of eateries down here. You got Syracuse Pizza. All of it looks like a skyline in New York. It's rad. I want to get my baby a big ass steak. Heck yeah. Which one do you want? If you've eaten at Gallagher's Steakhouse, leave me a comment down below. We are in the New Yorker Tower. You can get your shoe shine on before you go out on the town. The New Yorker Tower. I don't think we're in a staywell room, or are we? I'm not sure. This elevator goes fast. Don't mess around in here. Woohoo! Hello. Got a beautiful view of MGM Grand. And the entire roller coaster action. Woo! There it goes, right there. Whee! Tropicana. Oh, you can see the Statue of Liberty. Alright, let's go check out our room. We got a little window right here out our side that has more views. I'm telling you, there's just views for days. We're in room 2758. And let's take a little peeky deeky. When you come inside, you got some lovely art on the wall. And look at it, comes with a child. Okay, right when you come in, let's take a look at the bathroom. Very lovely. Your basic toiletski. I really like the floors here. They're like a gray foam marble. You got your 2 rolls of teepee all ready to roll. Hair dryer. One of those scary mirrors you never want to look into. Hello, everybody. Some art on the wall. 4 towels. The bathroom. The shower is gorgeous. Really like it. This one has a bathtub. And it does have the not so fancy shower curtain. Small bathroom. Right. When you come out, you have a full-length mirror. We are going downstairs to get pennies for Vegas and meet up with Bobby G, and we're gonna do our chelada tasting finally. I'm lagging per usual. So, here we go. Oh, did you wave the key in front of it, Dawn?
You don't need to when you go down.
Oh, really?
Nope.
Okay.
I mean, say if someone came up here, like, pennies, how would they get down if they, like, say if they went up to our room, how would they get down because they don't have a key?
Oh, that's true. Okay.
That's why you don't need to when you go down.
Boop. Look familiar. Here we go.
Whee.
Hopefully they're right here when we open the doors. No. Looking for 1 pennies. Hello, you guys ready? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Pennies, lovely to see you.
Nice to see you again.
Did you like grow like 3 inches? I didn't realize you were that tall.
Yeah, I must have. Yeah.
Or maybe you didn't realize I was that short. Say hello to everybody. Daisy's in charge of the key action. So we're going up to the.
Are you live?
Well, yeah, I am.
I see.
So I thought I'd grab this and do
got
some
a special key.
some quote unquote vlogging action because I don't do that. So here we go. You guys are it. That's it.
This is
So
exciting.
thanks for coming by, you guys.
Yeah.
Bobby G, how was the drive today?
I didn't drive today.
Oh, well, didn't some kind of big action happen? I haven't watched the vlog yet. I guess I need to watch, huh?
Which? I don't know.
Didn't you win like
Oh yeah. Oh, I got
That
a
was
roll
last
last night.
congratulations.
That was
You didn't watch the live stream today?
I haven't watched
Yeah,
anything.
you
I've been
watched it,
busy. Yeah.
You're going to find out.
Why? What happened?
People are calling it the best live stream ever.
What happened?
So it was a slot off between me and Cinnamon.
Uh-huh.
But Cinnamon's in California.
Right.
So you need to
What?
introduce Cinnabob.
Cinnabob?
Yeah.
Oh, Cinnabob. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Not Cinnabon, we got Cinnabob. All right. I'm excited.
What the hell is that?
That's my dog.
That's my whiskey weasel there, buddy.
Look, Penny,
All right, we got Bobby G and Penny's in the house. It's a hot mess in here.
It always is.
All right.
How
Hold
long
on a
you been
sec.
camping out in here?
Till how long have we been? Just 1 day.
Oh.
We're staying. right over there, and I'm like, look at you got all your shopping bags. You look adorable. So nice to meet you. You want to come up with us to the room real quick? Okay. We're gonna take Cookie back up to the room and drop her off so we can go out for a little bit. All right, Cookie. Oh, so wonderful. And we're looking forward to see you again at Rocktober with Vegas Best Ideas in the gang. Woohoo! All right, guys, we'll check back in with you later. Also, update, Vegas Golden Knights won again. So, yes, everybody was out here celebrating earlier. Now the park there's no one out here at all. Nice and quiet the way we like it. We are here with Kia-Belle outside of the Hello Kitty Cafe. Chat. We got Dr. Hamilton in the house, Mike B, Neil. Who else do we got in here tonight? We got KJ Images, which is Ken. Nice to see everybody. Thanks for coming in. We are getting ready to go home tomorrow. Not happy about that, but you know what? Actually, no, I am. I'm tired. But we're super happy we got to see all of our friends, and especially Kia. So pretty out here right now. I love this color changing fountain. I've been spending the past 4 nights out here, and I just can't get enough of this place. Absolutely love the T-Mobile Arena Park, or whatever park this is called. Awesome. Can't wait to come back here. Our stay in New York has been absolutely perfect, and we just can't wait to get back to Vegas. It's been a great trip. Ending it on a great day, meeting a wonderful friend, Kia-Belle. It is such a pleasure to meet you. You are absolutely a sweetheart, and I can't wait to spend more time with you in the future. Thanks so much for coming to see me. Pennies for Vegas, Bobby G's Gambling, my girl Janice. Who else did we see on this trip? Sleepless in Las Vegas, Michelle Monroe, Mustache Dave. I'm trying to think, who else? I hope I'm not forgetting anybody else. Anyways, it's been a wonderful trip. And Jaycation, meeting you. Oh my God, how could I possibly forget that? That was totally awesome. Twice I got to meet you, and I look forward to meeting you next time for sure. Okay, everybody, thanks so much. Oh, and shout out to Bob Dingo, who actually left me a comment today on the pool stream I did. Thank you, Bob Dingo, for leaving me a comment and for inspiring me to do that pool stream. It was super fun. I think that you and I should do a pool stream together soon in the future with your mom, and we'll bring little Daisy, and it'll be a blast. So come on, let's do it. All right, you guys, it's nice to see everybody, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Peace out. And of course, how could I forget Kino Kid and Kino Candy? Congratulations, Kino Kid and Kino Candy, on 1,000 subscribers. Woohoo! And thanks for coming to visit us. It was a great time, and all right, you all. We'll see you next time. Shout out to Mr. Uber for taking us on an amazing ride. Thank you so much, Mr. Uber. We had a great time riding around with you. And Vegas Mike, thank you, Vegas Mike, for always taking care of us. We definitely look forward to seeing you next time as well. All right, kids. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.